PPP plastic is very common in our lives, such as milk bottles, plastic frames, and plastic buckets. How do we recycle them? Let's take a look below. With HDPE PP material is transported to the double shaft shredder by the conveyor. The double shaft shredder shreds the material into small pieces. The purpose of this is to reduce the volume of the material and facilitate further processing. The main structure of the double shaft shredder consists of a frame, two motors, two gearboxes, blade set, transmission system, etc. The gearbox is an important part of the double shaft shredder. A good gearbox can bring strong torque. It is worth mentioning that our gearbox uses the Bono brand, the best gearbox brand in China. The materials that are shredded into small pieces will be transported to the crusher by the conveyor, and the crusher will crush the materials into suitable sizes. The reason why we place the shredder in front of the crusher is to increase the output of the crusher. Pre-shredding some large volume materials can increase the crushing speed of the crusher. SM series crusher is a weight crusher. There is a water inlet on the top of the crusher. Water is added during the crushing process to clean the material. The electrical control panel controls the operation of the production line. For safe production, we use well-known brand electrical components, such as Schneider, ABB, Siemens. The crushed materials will enter the floating washing tank for washing, and the roller on the floating washing tank will slowly push the materials to the outlet. The density of HDPE PP is less than water. The material will float on the water, and some impurities will sink to the bottom. So, we have a screw at the bottom of the floating washing tank, which can push the impurities to the end of the floating washing tank, and then drain them away through the slide screw loader at the end. Usually, we have to choose the number of times of washing according to the condition of the material. If the material is very dirty, we will use more times of washing. The principle is just like washing clothes. Horizontal spin dryer can friction clean materials at high speed and spin dry the moisture on the material. Zigzag separator is used to separate small labels, dust, and other impurities in materials. The separate impurities will be collected in dust bags. The above is the process of HDPE PP recycling, including shredding, crushing, washing, drying, and separation. The final product can be used for granulation, injection molding, etc.